Yeah. 6 speed. Lanes clear. Yeah. 6 speed. 6 speed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo. Yeah. Look. Lanes clear. Yeah, 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 yeah. 6 speed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Lanes clear. 6 speed. 6 speed. In gear. In gear. Yeah, yeah. Lanes clear. 6 speed. In gear. Only here, so I'm here to stay. Only here, so I'm here to say.
Alright guys, so today I'm very excited. I've had something in the works for a long time now. Today we're headed to Lime Rock Park. They wanted to do a feature on their brand new FCP Euro autocross track. So today should be an awesome day. That's it. Alright guys, so we made it to Lime Rock Park. We're gonna meet up with my film crew. There's my film crew, there's my contact, and there's a beautiful purple GT4 RS right there.
So what we miss out on? What they miss out on?
So they missed out on me saying that I have a big head. Isaac's car, camera car, Haley, Isaac, Dylan, my car. Beautiful GT4 RS. Wow, strapping my car up with GoPros right now. I'm gonna get some Ophelia shots. Later on we're gonna be doing rollers, chasing, and everything. We got the whole track. Dude, I feel so goofy with this helmet. Oh my. Oh. So, dude, I'm dying. So are you basically just gonna be flying overhead?
Yeah, I'm just gonna get some overhead shots and then maybe do some like rollers of you guys coming over the bridge once you're done filming everything if we have time. But yeah, no, mostly you guys are the experts here. I'd much rather have you do your thing.
Yeah.
We have a Lime Rock Park Miata with Japanese plates on it. I told my coworker to bring it over, so fingers crossed.
I've got the green plate though.
Yeah, I like that. It matches.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Alright, we're going. Oh my god, that was a lot louder. Oh my goodness. That is so much fun.
How's the
First lap on the track.
First lap on the track. Cone killer. Wait, we gotta move the cones. we gotta move the rest of the cones. can't believe those marks are from me.
I was trying to tell you, just completely dumped clutch for years.
Oh no, you know how my clutch is.
Yeah, I just wanted you to do it. That's why you just drove away. It's like, yeah, bitch.
Dude, we got an hour and 45-minute drive home. We can't afford this. Guys, this is so much fun. This makes me want to build a track car. I know I could definitely track this, no problem, like I'm doing now. But this makes me want to build like a track-specific car. It's just so much fun. So far, guys, the car is running pretty good. I had one little mishap where I hit the cone and I locked up my brakes, but other than that, we haven't hit grass yet. Well, I blew a coolant line somewhere, but I have no clue where, dude. It's just soaked in here. It's not oil. Right? You don't think it's oil?
No, I don't think it's oil.
Alright guys, I don't know. I blew a coolant line somewhere. Engine bay's...
IC problem?
It's my coolant overflow.
So where's what's going on?
All over here. I don't know where, but it's got to be a coolant line or oil. But I don't know.
Oh, you mean from a radiator hose over here?
Yeah, somewhere. It's got to be coolant.
It's like all on the bottom there too.
Yeah, there's a tiny puddle when I shut off my car.
A
But
puddle?
yeah, a tiny one. My what?
Positive crankcase ventilation one. Right here. So this that. But what's this thing here? Do you know?
Good question.
I can't read without.
It says open and close.
Or no.
Open, close, whatever that means.
Well, open means to open something.
Oh, just like me, wise guy.
That seems like that's the problem.
Yeah.
It's just coming out of the cap. So.
Oh yeah, because it's probably that leaking is probably just spilling down, just making its way down.
So
Yeah. Can you can't tell what that is? I mean,
I'm gonna phone a friend.
it looks like it's power steering fluid.
That's a good idea too. Could be. No.
Excel? No.
Oh yeah, I do.
No, I don't mean insurance.
Insurance. Who needs insurance? Hello?
Yo,
Hey, can I FaceTime you real quick?
I am driving currently to Maryland
Okay.
Just follow the.
because there's the headlight motor, and I think it's behind.
Yeah, right next to it on the left.
Yeah, okay, so it's.
Yes, yes, with that little dipstick looking thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, I just blew that.
Hey, yo, let's rip out your power steering.
I'm at Lime Rock.
Oh yeah, you
No,
don't
it's
need
just
power
leaking
steering.
out of the top. It's overflowing. It was probably
Overflowing?
just overfilled.
Oh,
Yeah.
you overheated it.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, that's
Yep.
it. It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fun. Let's run it.
Yeah. Let me know. Have fun at Lime Rock, brother.
All right, see ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Yo.
Camera rig.
Yeah, oh, where are they going?
We're not doing windows so far, are we? Oh my god.
Let's go. We got the camera car here. It's been an awesome day. Oh, big bump.
I really don't want to hold this on while I film. But I really don't care to. Choke, 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 choke. Yum, 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 yum. Camera car, camera car. Straight out of a movie.
Yeah, I definitely blew my power steering pump doing donuts. I don't know if I blew it or if I just overheated it and it blew up, like the top came off.
We are fucking cranking turns.
Yeah, we are, dude. That 5 Series is going nuts. Guys, here's some of the footage.
What's up? Oh.
I mean, when you beat up, you crawl.
Yeah, it's just warm. Well. Guys, this is gonna be a crazy video once it's done. Good thing my brakes work.
Yeah.
Corey, you gotta keep your video updated.
It's hot.
Tired?
Yeah.
Long day?
Yeah, I was up at 4. Fun day though. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Isaac's finishing up shooting the car right now. Great day at Lime Rock. Huge thanks to Isaac, Kayla, and her dad, everyone involved, everyone at Lime Rock. I'd love to do it again. Thank you everyone. Yeah.
Climbing up the ladder got me feeling like I'm running up the stairs just like I'm Rocky. I guess they thought they got me, but she can't even kick it like Ronaldo till she ride me like a